Crude oil opened with a gap down. We have seen it moving towards 61.7, but since then has recovered strongly. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned you can buy at 62.2 and expect 62.5, 62.6 as the first target. Offering it a good resistance, we have seen oil prices failing to break beyond. Now, can we expect a next move towards 63 and then 64 levels here in oil? Or it is going to drop again? And what about natural gas? We have seen a straight bearishness here in natural gas, moving now closer towards 2.88. What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates for crude oil and net gas. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till oil on the hourly charts, you can clearly see we have mentioned very clearly this is going to remain a good resistance zone 62.4, 62.6, and it's an achievable level as well. We have seen prices moving towards 62.6. Now the next move, it has to trade beyond 62.6, because beyond this, ideally I'll be looking forward to 63. That is a crucial number for oil to break beyond, and once it trades beyond 63, we can expect further rise. But what's happening after every rise? It's offsets with a drop. This is what is happening. It is staying in a retracement channel, and hence now very important for oil to trade beyond 62.6. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic, if you see, it is rising, looking upwards. The MACD also, if you see, after a good retracement, it has crossed over, trading bullish, looking up. And if you look at RSI, this is placed comfortably. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, notice, see, it has formed a reversal sign and it is trading still bullish. Only thing is the resistance it is getting from the 20 and 50 period moving average zone, because once it trades beyond this, we can expect the moving average to start converging, and this could also be a possible beginning of reversal, where we can see oil trading beyond 64, 64.5 soon. And now once it trades beyond 64, 64.5, this should take it all the way towards 66. But right now there is a lot much of a struggle on the up. There are a lot many stronger resistances which oil need to break beyond. In fact, now once it trades beyond 62.6, expect 62.8, 63 as the first strongest hurdle, then 63.25, and then 63.5, 63.6. Very crucial resistances are available. Stochastic rising, the MACD delivering waves here, waiting for a crossover here. This crossover may take it towards the moon. RSI placed comfortably. Look at 3-hour chart. Now on the 3-hour charts, another way to look at it, see, it has strengthened the support here. It has strengthened the base here. Look at the move. Despite the drop, we have not seen prices closing below 61.5, 61.4. This time also it has kissed this zone, and you can see 61.8, 61.7. It has taken the support, trying to bounce back. I'll just wait for it to trade above 62.6 and then 63 zone. If these two levels are taken, certainly more bullishness. And in fact, this could be the beginning of a slight reversal in oil prices. Stochastic rising. MACD here, after delivering waves, trying to cross over for a buy, and hence it is pretty important for oil to trade beyond 62.4, 62.6 zone. If this is taken, possibly oil will hit 63, and then beyond 63, 63.25, 63.5 should be there. Beyond 63.5, we can expect 64. And see, till 64, there are greater resistances on the upside available. RSI also is starting to rise. Look at 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour chart, similar observation here. See, after taking the support, we have seen a good rise. Now, if it breaks out, it might deliver a stronger move. But see, diminishing bullishness, again a red candle. Any drop below 61.8, you have to stay with the sells here. If it trades below 61.8, expect 61.5 first, 61.1 the second. Below 61.1, ideally oil has to trade below 60, which is the crucial psychological number for oil here, because breaking below which we are looking forward to a greater correction. Coming to daily. Now daily chart is an important one. Notice, connect the lows, connect the highs, and connect the lows here. You can find out this is how oil is trading. Very important for oil to breach past 63. And then beyond 63 is where we can expect slight bullishness. Also notice on the downside, it has filled the gap, trying to reverse. However, any drop now below 61.8, 61.5 zone, this is going to be a crucial support zone here. and then below that 61.1. If these levels are taken, I think you should not be thinking of buying oil. We are heading towards 60. Be watchful of this. Right now, it is very much range bound. Stochastic right now bearish. MACD is trading extremely bearish. Wait for a crossover here. RSI is flat at bottom. So considering this, before I provide you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The 34th batch starts 1st of September. Register yourself now, reserve your seats now itself, reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signal channel on Telegram. And it is also equally important for you to have a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. And considering these buying trades, already we have seen 62.4, 62.6 is the zone where you can initiate a buy. But till 63, it can reverse any point of time. And hence 62.8 also you should be taking as a resistance. So 20 cents trailing stop loss you can put till 63, and then beyond 63 is where we can expect 63.25, 63.5 and 64. Beyond 64, sky is the limit. It is going to rally strong towards 66 very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 61.8 levels. Expect it to move towards 61.5. If 61.5 is taken, stay short for 61.1, 60.5, 60. Crucial number at 60, because below 60, we are going to see oil at 57.8 and 55 again. I am skeptical. Let's see which direction it takes. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas here on the hourly charts. Rise retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. And see, it has taken a strong dip. It can possibly still reverse, but there are greater resistances on the upside. 2.95, 2.96 is one resistance here now. Beyond this only, we can expect slight bullishness, and then 3 is the ultimate one. Any move beyond 3 is a sign of reversal. But see, the moving average is crossing over here. Certainly, it's a bearish sign. If you look at the stochastic, this is getting oversold, trying to recover here. The MACD has also traded with sharp bearishness, waiting for a crossover here in order to confirm a reversal. RSI is flashed here at the bottom. Look at 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation: rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Every time it follows, it shows your rise, it follows with a retracement. And now see what it has shown. The last trading session, we have seen a good rise. It has filled the gap here. Now again, back to the support zone. So I'll definitely watch out. It is still trading in a range here. Very, very important for gas to trade below 2.84. Now 2.84, if it trades below, we can expect 2.78, the strongest support here. Right now it is struggling to break. The support is playing out very, very well. Stochastic oversold. The MACD, if you look at it, has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped, which is again a slight bearish sign. Look at the 3-hour chart. See what has happened on the 3-hour charts. Diminishing bearishness, reversal sign possibly. So now, in fact, if you see it is staying beyond 2.92, you can buy. Expect it to move towards 2.9596. If this is taken, then possibly 3. And if 3 is taken, then you can stay bullish. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD, if you look at it, is crossed over, and this is a slight bearish sign. Now, this is a slight bearish sign which suggests, if you see now gas below 2.88, stay short for 2.8684. This is going to be the crucial support here. Below this, stay short. Below 2.84, stay short for 2.78. RSI has dropped, which is again a slight bearish sign. Look at 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, diminishing bearishness is one such observation. And thus, I'll wait for it to stay beyond 2.9295, and then we can expect a good bullish move here. Possibility exists for a rise. Stochastic coming to a bottom here. The MACD, after retracing, trying to converge, crossover for sell. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily. Now see the daily charts here. How it has traded. First of all, a gap down is seen since the gap down. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned, see, when you see one bearish candle and 3 candles for it to, in fact, fail to erase the losses from this, you can say that it is still staying bearish. Now, what does this mean? Can we still say that it is going to move towards the bottom of the channel, as this is the trend it has adopted since long, and 3.2 is a wall which it has failed to break below? What are the lows here? The lows now aiming towards 2.8, 2.78. So today's closure of the candle and tomorrow's candle is going to remain pretty important. Stochastic has retraced here. The MACD also almost at bottom. It is in green though. It is still on the buy side. RSI is flat. So considering, yes, do join my mentorship batch. Do join my signals channel. Reach out to me for queries. Now where to buy? 2.92 is the level where you can buy. Expect 2.9596 first target zone. And if this is taken, then possibly 3. It is only and only if natural gas trades beyond 3 we can expect bullishness, but then also 3.025 and then 3.05, two levels it has to break beyond this. Ideally 3.15, 3.2, this is the strongest one, which is going to be a hurdle here for natural gas to break beyond this. Sky is the limit. On the downside, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell here at 2.88, but then 2.86, 2.84, greatest support here. Below this, ideally I'll be looking forward to 2.78, 2.8. This is the next crucial milestone, and a very stronger one. Again and again I am repeating this, 2.78, because below 2.78 it is going to deliver massive bearishness towards 2.72, 2.66 and then 2.6 very soon. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Do watch that as well. Thank you.